research. It says good researcher is not the one who knows the right answer, but one who is struggle to find out what is the right question might be. That's according to Philip and Ba. That's the definition of a good researcher that will tell you what does that mean to be or to do a research work. Research is defined as investigation undertaken in order to gain knowledge. Original investigation in order to gain knowledge and understanding. احنا عندنا مشكلة digital well-being. This theme is new to the industry. Oh, lots of people said technology it's affecting us bad. Technology is taking our time. Technology is consuming our effort and thinking, right? مظبوط. So this is the theme. This is our issue in how to balance between human well-being and use of technology. So we need to investigate the themes and find some solution. You were asked to look for a project idea that will improve human well-being with the use of technology. مظبوط? So your idea is original. You need to investigate it to gain the knowledge and understanding of the subject. So there is 3 key words in this definition: original, and gain knowledge, and understanding. But after you gain knowledge, you understand. You cannot understand if you don't gain the knowledge. Original, Hadi, it's how you originate your idea. Based on what? It's an original. There's nothing like it. But in our case, and our level of a class, it's not necessary. It could be a research base. You look beyond. You look about something else. But it is about research in general. What does originality mean? It is doing something that has not been done before. ماشي? Has not been done before. There is tool, technique, procedures, and methods to do something like that. So there is things that can help us to become originator or come with the idea that is original. It could be by applying tools, technique to existing problem. Why try to reduce something that is different from the original idea or not being covered in the original idea? Or you can be originator by exploring the unknown. يعني شيء يعني بعدك أو ما حدش بيعرفه. Investigate a new field, for example, and there are a lot of them, or there's a recent discovery open up, there is a lot of possibility to explore. Exactly in our theme اللي هو digital well-being, the digital well-being field is not that old. It is started not that long ago, and if you do a little bit of you will find it back in few years back. Google have big emphasis on it. Facebook have big emphasis. Even the government in the state mandating Facebook to do something about people addiction on the Facebook. It is the responsibility of the people who creating that technology also. So the government in the state, in the United States, asking Facebook, you need to provide tools that make people have a balance between the use of your technology and their health. It is your responsibility. Okay? Also, you can be originator by exploring the unanticipated. So there is a field already known, people research in that field, but studying this field, you might find a new direction not being explored. So it's being not anticipated area in that field. So you approach it to come up with something new. Or maybe possibly contribute to an existing field by further developing a new work, new modules, new technique, um, an existing application doing something in certain way, but you find the performance of this application by doing certain thing, it's really laggy. You thought about it, you come up with a different idea to improve performance by 1/3 of what it is right now, then you approach it. And this is how is the evaluation of age. For example, I'm gonna give you an operating systems. أول شيء operating system eval, single user, بعدين الانترنت came along, صار في the idea of the network، بعدين it evolved شوي، النتورك موجود، يعني people connected to each other. They start to see an area where it is improving, helping business. They start to think about network operating system. Then network operating system came along. بعدين they see another area where they can benefit from the networking. Created distributed system. We're still talking about the evaluation of the operating system. Then they see a further improvement can be by utilizing the cloud data store applications. Then they came up with the cloud operating system. So the evaluation within the same idea, but with different level. You might be able to improve something that is already exist, or provide a new prospect or interpretation. تفسر أشياء بطريقة مختلفة عن التفسيرات الموجودة. Or produce something unique in study or a certain field. And also you can be original, the use of data, how you use of the data and interpretation of the data. So the data is already there, it's been used, but you use it different way. Who can give me a good example of the use of data to be originated? Anybody?
what if مثلا عندك this factory وهاي الفاكتوري مثلا عم بيطلع منها مثلا زي 7 products خربانين مش ظابطين. ممكن مثلا نطلع من الداتا هاي البرودكتس هاي ليش نشوف to investigate المشكلة ونطلع ريسيرش نعمل ريسيرش ونظبط المشكلة.
Exactly, you give me an example بس أنا بعطيك إياها in bigger picture is artificial intelligence, AI, use of data, existing data to be originated, to come up with something that is new. For example, in the health industry field, specifically, they collect data about Parkinson's disease for long time, but they never used it for anything. Then now there is, for example, a research to extract the pattern of different patients, to try to detect patients that might have Parkinson's in 10 years. So the data is there, but come up with a new idea, new method, new algorithm to use this data to originate something new. And to summarize the outcome of the project, identify it is originality. يعني عندك result, wow, the Parkinson's disease algorithm applied it. After a few years, we found, yes, we were able to identify the people who might have Parkinson's in the future by using this algorithm. And therefore, based on this outcome, then you can formulate theory or create a new product or method or model. Clear? And this is the first highlighted in the definition of what is a research. Original investigation undertaken in order to gain knowledge and understanding. Any question?